Today, ma'am, number one. In the first general rule in who shall give the right of way in an intersection. The driver of a MB motorway coming from the left. Number two, when parking of the side street of one of an uphill with a curve, the front wheels should be turned to the left. Number three, in making a turn, the driver of a MB which is turning must give the turn signal at least blank before making such action. 100 feet. Number 4. What is the proper hand signal when turning right? Extend your arm out of the driver's window with your elbow bent and point. Point your hand to the sky with your palm facing forward. Number 5. Who is not exempted to speed limit? The driver of a vehicle when he or his passenger are in pursuit of a criminal. Number 6. What is the proper hand signal when turning right? Extend your arm out of the driver's window with your elbow bent and point your hand to the sky with your palm facing forward. 7. The required hand signal shall be given by means of extending the point hand or arm bay on the blank side of the vehicle, left. 8. What is the right of way rule on private driveway intersection? The vehicle approaching the main highway has the right of way. 9. This separate opposing stream of traffic and direct vehicles into proper position on the roadway. Pavement markings. 10. These refer to any device mounted on portable support whereby message is convey by means of words of symbols installed for the purpose of regulating, warning, or guiding traffic to a traffic signs. 11. What is the chronological arrangement of the colors of the traffic light from the bottom? It is green, yellow, red. 12. When approaching intersection where the flashing yellow is on, you should step and proceed with caution. Slow down and proceed with caution. Reduce speed. 13. When the red light is on, motorists should be observe the following except unless specified you can turn left after a full stop. 14. Pedestrian when crossing on the road should only use pedestrian lane crosswalk. 15. When traversing on a solid yellow lane or white lane with a dot yellow line or white line, you can overtake when the dot line is in your lane. When 16. When traversing on a highway with double yellow line with that line in between, you can not overtake under any circumstances. 17. These are signs that warn motorists of approaching hazardous road condition. Danger warning sign. 18. Sleep descent in an example of danger warning sign. 19 naman ay picture yung parang paen, yun ang dangerous right double bend. 20. This principle refers to legal or customary precedents which allow our vehicle to cross or pass in front of another of way, right of way. 21. This refers to any power operated traffic control device by which traffic is warned or directed to take specific action. Traffic signal light. 22. Ito naman yung parang may pag-layout drawing, dalawang layout. Ito ay road narrow. 23. These are painted across pavement lane at traffic sign or signals. More signs. These lines are present. You should stop behind. Ito ang stop line. 24. These are marking place on the curves or edge of the traffic for restriction or for parking purposes. Ito ang curb marking. 25. The pavement marking for two-lane one-way street is to separate traffic traveling towards the same direction. 26. Single white dot line indicate. Ito yung lahat ng sagot doon. 27. Ito yung parang may gayon, dalawang gayon naman kasunod. Ito ang uneven road. 28. These are marking or gadget that became luminous when hit by vehicle headlight. Ito ang reflectorized markings. 29. Inner lanes of 4-lane two-way road are designed. Ito ang overtaking and fast moving vehicles. 30. Lines indicating parking stalls or space on the edges of highway are example of curb markings. 31. On a 4-lane two-way road, outer lanes are for slow-moving vehicles. 32. The double solid white line indicates doesn't allow lane changing. 33. What is the proof that one ID given permission by the LTO to operate a vehicle on a public highway? To a driver license. 34. In using traffic sign, there are basic sign, shape, and colors. Ito naman ang triangle, red, and green sign. 35. What is the traffic sign that instruct drivers of slow moving of motor vehicle to keep right? 36. What is the act of driving in which the driver anticipates the error of others to ang defensive driver? 37 naman, the maximum speed legally permitted on a given stretch of road is called speed limit. The 38. The color of the background for regulatory sign is white. 39. Pavement markings are markers indicate to traffic flow regulation. 40. These signs guide motorists along established route. Ito ang informative sign. 41. These signs which inform road user of certain law and regulation. Ito ang regulatory mandatory signs. 42. These are markings placed on object of the road on beside the road like humps, rocks, or similar hazardous object on the side of road. 43. These are globally installed in front of a solid obstacle or traffic island of an area of high accident frequency barrier lines. 44. These are signs which inform road user on special obligation, instruction, or provision which they must comply with and violation of which constitute misdemeanor. Pang regulatory mandatory sign. 45. What is proper hand signal when you about to stop? Extend your arm out, hang it down with your palm facing the car rear. 46. What is fundamental duty of pedestrian and passenger? To observe and obey all traffic rules and regulation. 47. This traffic control device is installed to permit safe movement of vehicles and pedestrian at intersection to ang traffic signal light. Ito man yung 48, yung isang arong maliit at sa kabila naman yung pabend na arong malaki. Yung man tawag yung to no overtaking. 49. This usually used for route marks and destination sign to ang green background informative sign. 50. The following should be observed when you are approaching an intersection and you are facing a flashing yellow, except slow down in crossing the intersection. Thank you po.